In biomolecules, next topic is classification of carbohydrates. The classification of carbohydrates on the basis of behavior on the hydrolysis. On this basis, carbohydrates are classified as first simple carbohydrates, second complex carbohydrates. So we take first simple carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrates are also known as monosaccharide. These monosaccharides are not hydrolyzed further to give a simple sugar, means monosaccharides हायड्रोलिसिस होऊन आपल्याला सिंपल शुगर मिळणार नाही. Total 20 monosaccharides are known in nature, and the examples of monosaccharides are glucose or fructose. Second type is complex carbohydrate, and complex carbohydrates are further again classified into two types. First, oligosaccharide, second, polysaccharides. Complex carbohydrates classified into two types. First, oligosaccharide and the polysaccharides. The oligosaccharides are the carbohydrates which are gives 2 to 10 monosaccharide units on the hydrolysis are called oligosaccharides. जसे कार्बोहायड्रेट्स की जे 2 to 10 युनिट्स ऑफ मोनोसॅकराइड जर देत असेल हायड्रोलिसिस झाल्यानंतर तर त्यांना आपण काय म्हणू शकतो ऑलिगोसॅकराइड्स. आता हे ऑलिगोसॅकराइड्स किती मोनोसॅकराइडची युनिट देतात त्या बेसिकवर परत त्यांचं क्लासिफिकेशन केलेलं आहे. डायसॅकराइड, ट्रायसॅकराइड अँड टेट्रासॅकराइड. डायसॅकराइड म्हणजे असे ऑलिगोसॅकराइड की जे 2 मोनोसॅकराइडची युनिट देत असतील तर त्यांना आपण काय म्हणू डायसॅकराइड. ऑलिगोसॅकराइड हायड्रोलिसिस नंतर 3 युनिट देत असतील मोनोसॅकराइडचे तर त्यांना आपण म्हणू ट्रायसॅकराइड. आणि ऑलिगोसॅकराइड्स हायड्रोलिसिस नंतर जर 4 मोनोसॅकराइडचे युनिट देत असेल तर त्याला आपण म्हणू टेट्रासॅकराइड्स. ओके. Then next type of complex carbohydrate is polysaccharides. The polysaccharides are the carbohydrates which gives larger number of monosaccharide units after the hydrolysis. They are polysaccharides. And these polysaccharides are the natural biopolymer of monosaccharides. Means polysaccharides are what? These are the natural biopolymer of monosaccharides, and the examples of polysaccharides are starch, cellulose and the glycose. Carbohydrates can be again classified into sugar and the non-sugar on the basis of their solubility in water. वॉटरच्या मध्ये सोल्युबल आहे किंवा नाही त्या बेसिकवर कार्बोहायड्रेट्सचे परत क्लासिफिकेशन झालेलं आहे ॲज अ शुगर अँड द नॉन शुगर. The पहिले sugar. Sugar is a crystalline in nature. They are sweet to taste. They are soluble in water, and the examples of sugar are monosaccharides and the oligosaccharides. While non-sugars are amorphous in nature, they are tasteless and they are insoluble in water, and the examples of non-sugars are polysaccharides. Okay, this is clear. Means we classify carbohydrates on the basis of behavior on the hydrolysis, and the classify carbohydrates on the basis of solubility in the water. On the basis of hydrolysis, we classify carbohydrate as a simple carbohydrate, complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrates are known as monosaccharides. Complex carbohydrate again divided into two types, oligosaccharides and the polysaccharides. Then we classify carbohydrates into two types again on the basis of solubility in water. They are sugar and the non-sugar. Okay, is it clear? Then next topic is classification of monosaccharides. And what are the monosaccharides? Monosaccharides are the simple carbohydrates which do not give the simple sugar on the hydrolysis. These monosaccharides are classified as aldoses and the ketoses. Now what are these aldoses and ketoses? So aldoses means that monosaccharide which contain the aldehydic group. Aldehydic group means CHO group. And the ketoses. Ketoses means monosaccharide which contain a ketonic group. And the ketonic group is C double bond O. In the biomolecules, next topic is classification.